In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page with Lovable. We'll start right from the Lovable dashboard and go all the way to a live published page, keeping everything simple and focused so you can follow along with confidence. First, head to the Lovable home dashboard. This is your control center where you can spin up new projects and manage existing ones. Make sure you're on the main screen so you can access the tools we need without hunting through menus. Next, click on Ask Lovable. This is the prompt bar where you describe exactly what you want to build, and Lovable generates it for you. Think of it like briefing a designer and developer at the same time. Be clear and specific. Mention the goal of your landing page, your target audience, toss, the tone of voice, and the key sections you need, like a hero with a headline and call to action, a features section, social proof, and a footer. If you already have a color palette or brand vibe in mind, include that too. The more context you give here, the better the initial result will be. When your prompt looks good, press enter to submit. Lovable will get to work scaffolding your page, assembling layout, copy, and visuals based on your instructions. Give it a moment to build. While it's generating, think about the single action you want visitors to take. Sign up, book a demo, or download something, so you can prioritize that in the next step. Once the page is created, you can make your edit. Open the editor and fine-tune the essentials. Tighten the headline to make the benefit crystal clear, adjust the subhead for clarity, and make your primary button short and action-oriented. Swap images or illustrations to match your brand, and tweak colors so your call to action stands out with strong contrast. Check spacing for readability, scan the page on a smaller preview to ensure it looks great on mobile, and verify that every link goes to the right destination. Keep copy concise, use plain language, and ensure sections flow logically, from problem to solution to proof to action. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. Lovable will deploy your landing page and give you a live link you can share immediately. If you update the page later, just return to the editor, refine your content, and publish again to push the changes live. That's it. Dashboard, prompt, submit, edit, and publish. Follow these steps and you'll have a polished landing page ready to share in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy building with Lovable.